At a media briefing, NSSF Managing Director Patrick Ayota presented the fund's performance for the 2024-2025 financial year against its 2015 growth targets. He revealed that revenue had grown by 26 trillion shillings, exceeding expectations set a decade ago.
We had estimated and predicted that by June 2025 would be a 20 trillion shilling fund. We're coming from a 5.5 trillion shilling fund in 2015. So we had basically projected that by June 2025 would be a 20 trillion shilling fund. We ended June 2025 at 26 trillion shillings, 6 trillion shillings higher than what he had projected in 2015. And a lot of it is really what you, the members, trusted us with in that case.
The growth is attributed to the shilling's strong performance against the dollar and regional currencies, as well as Uganda's stable economy, which expanded from 6.1% to 6.3%. Furthermore, member contributions rose by 10% from 1.9 trillion shillings in 2023-2024 to 2.13 trillion in 2024-2025, while earnings from the fund's real estate investments increased from 13.2 billion to 16.6 billion shillings.
The revenues grew by 38%, from 3.2 trillion to 3.5 trillion shillings this year. And this is in spite of where we're investing. We talked about the yields in Kenya were lower, but all this put together, the fund earned 3.5 trillion shillings. And you can see that our interest income went up from 2.34 to 2.88 trillion.
However, despite the strong performance, NSSF reported a decline in compliance, which fell from 57% in 2023-2024 to 52% in 2024-2025, leading to a reduction in member contributions.
It doesn't matter whether you have one employee, provided you are a formally registered employer, you're required to remit contributions for your employee, to register and remit. What happens if you don't? It is an offense under the NSSF law, and the consequences of non-compliance will follow.
Looking ahead, NSSF is set to roll out its next 10-year strategy, dubbed Vision 2035, targeting growth of the fund to 50 trillion shillings and expanding coverage to 50% of Uganda's working population. Charlotte Amuge and Rogers Komagum for UBC News.